No water, not looking good. A bit of a coincidence, but shifter's not shifting at the same time. So the question is, where's the water going? Yes, definitely water in here. So the water's going into the gearbox. Why? Now we have to take the kickstart off for a start, and then the side cover. Unfortunately, the GoPro ran out of battery, so I didn't film the whole operation. Anyway, I can tell you that the water pump seal failed, and as a result filled up the gearbox with water and turned the oil into a grease, which stopped the gears from moving as well. I replaced the seal and washed out all of the grease-like oil, and now I'm looking for someone to ride with. I just looked up WA.dirtbike chat on Facebook and found someone who wants to go. I've just pulled up because the zip tie has broken on the bike down here, so there's a bit of a flapping, and you wouldn't believe it, right in front of my bike I've just found a zip tie right there. So perfect, you can be lucky. So I headed out the track to meet up with Pete. Unfortunately, he took a bit of a tumble. Pete, you're looking good.
I don't feel so good.
A sudden stop on this piece of concrete and a quick trip over the handlebars shook Pete up a bit, but he was soon up and about, and we're back on the trail. The rest of the afternoon went well. And Andrew proudly dropped over to show me his new Triumph Bonneville T120, the Black Series. And then Colin dropped in to show me his new Royal Enfield Himalayan. So we'll be doing some off-road riding in that with that too. And Ross took off on his Norton Commando in search of a adventure bike, possibly a DRZ 400.